Pixel 8 Pro is here. That means we're gonna have a bunch of accessories for it. Encased sent me a bunch of cases to share with you guys. Let's check these out over here on the close-up camera. Thank you, Encased. Okay, this case, not gonna lie guys, this case has big dad vibes, energy. This is a Magsafe case for the Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, doesn't add too much bulk, to be honest. I like it. We have a little lay on the table design. Here's the lip over here, as you guys can see. It's pretty nice. But we have a, oh, this is great. We have a holster. I haven't seen a holster for a cell phone in God knows how long. And this just makes me feel, this is such a dad vibey thing here. Like, who's going out of the house with one of these? But if you're a dad and you like dad vibey cell phone cases, Encased might be your jam, especially because they have Magsafe magnets or magnets for the Magsafe charging system built in. This is kind of like the Ring Fusion clear case, but this one's got magnets. The Ring Fusion one didn't. It says a polycarbonate back, which is nice. It's got the Magsafe magnets on it. Here you guys can see Magsafe magnets, clear TPU rails, right? Cut out for the microphones. How the buttons feel. I'm not sure about this. Buttons. This one is also serious, like dad mobile salesman vibes. I mean, we have a kickstand here. Come on, here we go. We have a metal kickstand here, as you guys can see. If you're a fan of metal kickstands on cell phones, cool, great, love it, right? We can still be friends, but just comment below with what your job is. Tell me what your occupation is. And we have like the bare metal on the back. Look, I don't know. Are you guys digging this? Look at this. We have the exposed metal on the back. I'm not sure if I'm digging this metal on the back with my brand new phone. I mean, there's tons of protection, but still, we got the bare metal on the back. Yeah, that's gonna be a no-go for me, guys. Sorry, but if you need a kickstand, Encased, definitely your jam, but maybe not for me. I'll have links for all this stuff in the description down below. If you guys have a Pixel 8 Pro, let me know what your first impressions of it has been, because honestly, so far, I love the way it feels in hand. I almost don't want to go caseless with this device. Okay, peace.